Hi, Chris here, founder, CEO of Freedom Private Money. I wanted to send you a quick little video reminder and let you know that we fund up to 100% of cost on our fix and flip business purpose loans. So for flippers that are looking to buy, rehab, and resell, or landlords that are looking to buy, rehab, and refi, we fund up to 100% of purchase and rehab, or 75% of the ARV, the after repaired value. So a couple things to note here. Most other lenders will require a down payment. So that's anywhere from 10 to 20% of your total costs you're required to put down. I've been in this business for about 10 years. I've bought and sold over 100 houses myself and done well over 1,000 loans. I specifically designed our product not to penalize you for making good acquisitions. So 100% loan to cost, or 75% of ARV, which can include 100% of purchase and rehab. This also comes in handy for those buy and hold investors, since we have an 80% 30-year investor loan for business purpose, or for holding properties in your entity. We can go from a 75% hard money loan to an 80% 30-year fixed loan, significantly reducing the amount of capital you put out per property. If you would like to know how to buy more properties, utilize your capital a little bit better, put more money in your pocket to be able to have economies of scale for appreciation, depreciation, principal pay down, cash flow, and other things, please contact me or my team. You can submit a free quote on the website using our deal analyzer with the link below. We'll look forward to working with you, hearing from you, or helping you however we can. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.